Boehringer Ingelheim is a global group of companies embracing many cultures and diverse societies. Improving the health of quality and lives of human and animals is the goal of research-driven pharmaceutical company Boehringer Ingelheim. A successful and family-owned company since it was established in 1885, Boehringer Ingelheim is one of the pharmaceutical industry's top 20 companies. C.H. Boehringer John AG and KG is the parent company of the Boehringer Ingelheim Group, which was founded in 1885 by Albert Boehringer in Ingelheim am Rhein, Germany. They have three business areas. One is human pharma, second is the animal health, and third is the biopharmaceutical contract. Headquarters in Ingelheim operates globally with the group consists of 146 affiliate companies with around 50,000 employees in 2017 in all continents. Research and development facilities were 5 sites and 20 production plants in 13 countries. The research and development facilities are located in Bayreuth, Germany, Richfield, Connecticut, Vienna, Kobe, and Milan. The company's largest site and corporate headquarters is in Ingelheim am Rhein near Mainz and Frankfurt, Germany. Their main business regions are Europe, North America, and Asia. As of 2018, Boehringer Ingelheim is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies and the largest private one. In 2020, Boehringer Ingelheim achieved net sales of 19.6 billion euros. Boehringer Philippines Incorporated was founded in 1966. The company's line of business includes the manufacturing, fabricating, or processing of drugs in pharmaceutical preparations for human or veterinary use. Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines Incorporated, they are located in the 23rd floor Citibank Tower, 8741 Paseo de Rujas, Makati City, Philippines. Boehringer Ingelheim have social media accounts. They have their Facebook, website, and YouTube account. Mission: the privately held company has been committed to researching, developing, manufacturing, and marketing novel treatment for human and veterinary medicines. Vision and values: create value through innovation with a clear goal to provide more health and improve the lives of both humans and animals. Objectives: the objectives and beliefs of Boehringer Ingelheim can be summed up in a single phrase: value through innovation. This vision has helped us build on our strengths and make the most of our distinctive character and corporate culture that is rooted in our belief that in order to be successful, we must have strong partnership with our people. Value through innovation is what drives us to continuously search for new and innovative ways to improve the lives that we touch, whether that be lives of patients and their families, our employees, or our community. Boehringer Ingelheim is also committed to providing valuable services and support to patients and their families. Commitment to patients. All of Boehringer Ingelheim's efforts are focused on improving patients' lives. We succeed by understanding patients' needs and meeting those needs with innovative medicines and best-in-class engagements, programs, and services.
Boehringer Ingelheim has stood for innovation and responsibility for over 130 years. But how did it actually all begin? On July 31st, 1885, Albert Boehringer purchases a small tartar factory in Ingelheim and southwestern Germany. A few years later, he makes a groundbreaking discovery. Thanks to his innovative spirit, he finds a way of producing lactic acid in industrially relevant volumes using biotechnology, thereby making a lasting change to the market. Soon after that, Albert Boehringer develops another pioneering business area. His company extracts alkaloids in order to supply them to pharmacies and the budding pharmaceutical industry. Based on these plant-derived active substances, he puts the first of his own drugs on the market, laying the foundation of today's core business. The next 2 decades are characterized by growth. New medications are launched for different indication areas, and new sites are built up. These include Bibarak in Germany's Upper Serbia, today still the company's largest research site worldwide. From 1947, Boehringer Ingelheim enters new territory and establishes its first subsidiary outside Germany. Many more follow. The company employs over about 50,000 people worldwide by 2017. In 1970s, Boehringer Ingelheim expands to the US market and establishes new field of activity: animal health. Biotechnology is also expanded further, and the company's first biotechnologically produced drug for treating acute myocardial infarction is approved. Many more milestones follow. The transfer of HIV from mothers to their unborn children can be prevented. A medication for the debilitating lung disease, COPD, is launched. For the first time in 50 years, anticoagulant with a completely new mode of action can be given. Boehringer Ingelheim successfully enters diabetes research and achieves an outstanding therapeutic success. In 2016, veterinary medicine is strengthened significantly through a swap of business areas with Sanofi. Boehringer Ingelheim becomes one of the world market leaders in animal health, and successfully will continue. The family-owned company will in future collaborative even more closely with startups and universities to support the research with development, know-how, and clinical studies. The Boehringer Ingelheim story is a classic example of true innovations, and the next innovation is surely on its way.
Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines Incorporated. Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines Incorporated, located at 23rd floor Citibank Tower, 8741 Paseo de Rojas, Salcedo Village, Makati City, 1227, Philippines. You can contact them via phone and email. Boehringer Ingelheim Philippines Incorporated was founded in 1966. The company line of business includes the manufacturing, fabricating, or processing of drugs in pharmaceutical preparation for human or veterinary use. Boehringer Ingelheim believes that the lives of animals and humans are interconnected in deep and complex ways. They understand that when animals are healthy, humans are healthier too. As an industry leader and a trusted animal health partner, they focus on innovation to lead where they have a greatest impact. With a global reach and a worldwide presence, they break ground to address unmet medical needs. They partner to develop solutions for the disease of the future and improve well-being. They create a healthier tomorrow for animals, humans, and for our communities. Boehringer Ingelheim famous drug in the Philippines.
Boehringer Ingelheim works in human pharmaceuticals, animal health, and biopharmaceuticals. Their drug products specialize in the treatment of heart diseases, metabolic diseases, cancer, lung diseases, skin diseases, and for mental disorders. Boehringer Ingelheim has been making biologic medicines for 35 years. In Fremont, they produce biologics through a highly sophisticated series of manufacturing steps. Throughout the development and manufacturing of their biologics, they employed cutting-edge technologies. In their initial development phase, small scale, they employ robotic systems, innovative approaches, and high-tech analytical tools to produce a high-quality product. And then, they move to making batches in their large-scale manufacturing facility. There, they grow up the cells up to significant variant and larger bioreactors, which produces the biologic. The biologics begin their transformation into medicine by undergoing many purification steps such as chromatography and filtration. And this really ensures the high degree of purity that meets the company's rigorous standards and tight specifications. So after the medicines passes through the purification and formulation process, then it is ready to be put into vials, syringes, or auto-injectors. Another area that Boehringer Ingelheim specializes is the animal health. So in Boehringer Ingelheim Animal Health, as an industry leader and trusted animal health partner, Boehringer Ingelheim focused on innovation to lead where they will have the greatest impact. With a global reach and a worldwide presence, they break grounds to address and meet medical needs. They partner to develop solutions for the diseases of the future and improve well-being. Boehringer Ingelheim create a healthier tomorrow for animals, humans, and for the communities. Boehringer Ingelheim provides vital information on their website about the management of various diseases, the manifestations, and its causes. They educate people through making animated videos and storyline of the disease. They also allow people to share their testimonies about their products and its efficacy.
Officially diagnosed with lung cancer on Friday the 13th of May of 2016. So instead of the traditional chemo where it targets all of your cells, this one targets the bad cell. I have a basic normal life aside from a few side effects, which is nothing compared to chemo. I've continued to do the things that I like. I continue to travel. I just have to keep trucking along for my little guy. He's 6 years old. I want to see him graduate. I want to see a lot of things. Without hope, I wouldn't be here today.
Our company's goal is to provide value to patients and healthcare providers through innovation, which is a vision that we can trace all the way back to Albert Boehringer, who founded this company in 1885. After all of this, we know that patients rely on the medicines that we make, and this inspires us in everything that we do.
Boehringer Ingelheim. Company locations: Hanover, Dortmund, Ingelheim, Beiderach an der Ries. Ingelheim. First, the Reynolds capital city for red wine. Ingelheim, Amrin, 25,000 populations. Approximately 88,000 employees, 42 buildings for research, developers, engineers, and managers. Global headquarters, Boehringer Ingelheim Centers. Modern business architecture. spacious workspaces, scale up from 10 grams active ingredients to 1 cup. Company locations: Hanover, Dortmund, Ingelheim bei Bruck an der Riss, North Rhine-Westphalia, Dortmund. Second, the Dortmund. 570,000 population. BVB Real Love. True high quality of life. Over 550 employees. Boehringer Ingelheim Microparks located in the center of Technology Park, Dortmund. Worldwide, the only production site for the Respimat soft inhaler. $44 million units per year. Production of nozzles. Finest structures of 5 p.m. Productions of high quality. Central tube is constructed from the synthetic material PEEK. Custom built assembly machines, 60 units per minute. Welcome, we'll be taking a short virtual tour through the world of Boehringer Ingelheim. This medicinal herb garden is the starting point for our tour, as well as the history that I would like to present to you. After all, the company has its roots here in Ingelheim. And even today, the active ingredients in many medication come from plants. Please take a quick look around. It's too bad that you can smell the garden. We planted the herb garden right in front of our company headquarters because it reminds us of our goals. to improve the health of people and animals. We focus on illness for which satisfactory treatment do not yet exist. Many ideas and strategies are addressing very specific questions are developed in the building you see in the background. And that is where our story continues. Hello, I'm down here. This is the foyer of Boehringer Ingelheim, which we like to call the BIC. We would also call it the BIG because it's really is big. If you look up, you'll see the glass roof 33 meters above ground. And behind you, the glass facade extends all the way up. The architecture represents openness and transparency, which are fundamental values of our corporate culture, established and sustained by the founding family. Boehringer Ingelheim has been a family-owned company since 1885. The current owners, now the fourth generation of the family, also have their offices in this building. Since we have plenty of space to have a look, I'll share some information about the company you have here. Boehringer Ingelheim focuses on 3 business areas: human pharma, animal health, and biopharmaceuticals.
Hubertus von Weimach, Chairman of the Board of Managing Directors. Karin Broilot, Managing Director, Human Pharma Business Unit. Jens Kistik D. Zolna, Managing Director, Animal Health Business Unit. Michael Pyret, Managing Director, Innovation Unit. Jane Skedder, Global Health Supply Chain Management. Michael Schilmer, Managing Director, Finance and Group Functions.
Bem-vindos a Boehringer Ingelheim. Aqui trabalham pessoas de 60 nações. Meu nome é Regina Barroso da Silva, sou brasileira e é um prazer recebê-los aqui.
Hi， 大家好，我叫黄念，来自中国。动物健康和动物福利任重而道远，对我也意味着良多。在这里，柏林格英格汉，我能献出我的一份力。
Hey Leute, ich bin Niklas und ich mache bei Boehringer Ingelheim das duale Studium. Außerdem leite ich das Azubi Social Media Team. Ich finde es cool, bei Boehringer Ingelheim zu arbeiten.
Ich bin Thorsten und ich bin stolz darauf, dass mit unserer wertvollen Fracht innovative Medikamente von Boehringer Ingelheim vielen kranken Menschen in der Welt geholfen werden kann.
Hoi, ik ben Erik en kom uit Nederland. Ik heb bereits in diverse onderzoekscentra van Boehringer Ingelheim gewerkt. Ons onderzoek en onze innovatie kennen geen grenzen.
Hello, I'm Julie from Canada, and my role is to enable our capacity for innovation through research partnerships and collaborations. I'm very excited by the opportunities to work with scientists from around the world to discover solutions for our patients.
Je suis Canadien du Cameroun et je suis très heureux d'apporter une contribution au développement des produits pharmaceutiques et ainsi de nouveaux médicaments contre les maladies sévères dans le monde entier.